back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for joining us again. Now today we're going to be unboxing the BRIDGELIFT Thomas and Skiff train set. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about it. This train set features the Brentham docks, as you can see, and it comes with a battery powered Thomas and a push along skiff. It has the kid controlled bridge. You use that little lever and you can lift it and push it back down as Thomas comes around with Skiff, and it's a nice little vibe right there. You can push Skiff along the tracks, or you can attach him to Thomas for really nice rides around Sodor, right? It comes with 25 pieces and has over 3.5 feet of track. So what we want to do now is just pull open the box and see what's included. So let's go. The BRIDGELIFT with the lever, as you can see, you can lift the lever to give passage to Thomas with Skiff attached. The motorized Thomas and push along Skiff. It comes with all the instructions and even a map of Sodor, the tracks, and of course other accessories. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I look forward to you joining us. In part 2, we'll be putting the tracks together, so we look forward to you joining us again. Until next time, stay safe and we will see you soon.